Where are we going?
Theta Chi.
Ah!
Let's go.
Wait, okay, let me. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Look, I have an apple. I have. Oh, I need to set
What's your
up.
first meal?
No, I already had breakfast. I have my wrap. I have chicken bar. And that.
Okay, let's talk about it.
What do you mean?
I think my biggest comfort.
Actually?
She's late.
Oh. You said she wasn't gonna be part of it.
Well, I don't know. I don't know what was going on, but then she was like, I didn't come yesterday because I was sick. And then she was like, I'm still sick, but I'm coming.
Oh. Okay.
I hope I don't get infected.
Wait, same.
She just got back from Japan. I
Dude,
think
she's
it's
gonna
like
get
from-
us sick.
I know. Look, it's set to go around.
Oh, fuck. Wait, that's
It
because it
doesn't
doesn't know.
matter.
It doesn't know.
What do you mean it doesn't?
What
What
a beautiful day. Literally? Oh my god, literally what a beautiful day. I know. I love law.
This is Samantha Fong's skirt.
Is it actually?
It's actually a pair of
Oh my god, shout out Samantha Fong.
I have a lot of her clothes.
That's beautiful. Ew, what the hell? Dude, what's what is so interesting during like move out, move in season? Literally, why did I just eat this? I was like, it tastes a little weird, but I was like not
You
questioning
swallowed
it.
it?
Ew, I ate a worm! What's going? Oh, wait. Not really. What?
Listen,
So many sights today.
I love seeing a cat through the window.
I know.
It's so Italy. Like, we're
We
at
have
the front.
arrived
and
at our
might
destination.
Need help unloading.
Okay. Okay, updates. Look at our work.
Our hard work.
Beautiful.
And Douglas.
And Douglas. Wait, fuck. Oh yeah, Douglas. Shot one scene. Yeah, that's beautiful. For look.
13%. That's actually crazy.
What?
Or is that 13.9%?
This way. Wait, it's like not that much, right?
Oh.
But is there caffeine? I need this. I need this. Oh, that was loud.
Okay.
So basically, this is. Oh, do you want to be my camcorder? My vlog?
I love you are. Yeah.
He's been
Yes.
vlogging our entire summer.
Wait, that's so cool. I just assumed it was one of my neighbor's club.
Oh, this is like bad.
It's actually so cool.
I'm 46.
He's 26, but he's like, you're 15 years old. How do you even get How do you start to change?
Yeah, studying algebra. Algebra 2.
He's trying to look down for sure. Cover up. I just down the line of liquor. Also, you put dancing with G. Oh my gosh. And she just yelled at me.
Think about now,
That's why I did not like that.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Liz.
Shoot, James.
Think about
Look at
now,
James.
getting it closer.
Okay, yeah.
Um,
Do you want to just like
Liz, her eyeball.
Thank you, sorry.
Thank you.
Spiking your bro.
We need to record this lady.
Trying to make you guys have a good time.
I just thought we should play.
What do you mean?
I'm a creep.
Where's this stemming from?
I'm
That's not a party.
Are you like Charlie or something?
That's Coke. That's Coke. Yeah.
No, we should play Charlie.
Yeah.
fix. We need to fix the trash bags. The tape's right there.
Oh, do they need?
Which one?
Oh, they got it. They got it. Okay.
Yeah, that one.
Oh. Oh.
Wait, but
Voting on tacos.
Part 2.
Dude, what is this? Tacos? Oh.
Package. Wait. Literally. Beautiful.
Life is beautiful.
Life is so beautiful.
You get it from like look at me.
Literally.
Me hugging my daughter. I only have one conversation with my big.
wait, who's your big?
Really? I had a conversation with her and it was during rush. And we